spiritual souls. How to use salt bath to get uncommon favor. Use salt bath to attract uncommon favor. Hello, my subscribers. You're welcome to another video. Thank you so much for your support. If this is your first time on this channel, remember to subscribe to my channel. Just check your far right on your video and you see the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much. Today I'm here to talk about how to use salt bath to attract uncommon favor. Use salt bath to attract uncommon favor. This is Spiritual Souls providing simple spiritual solutions for spiritual problems. So today we have so much to talk about. I want to talk about how to use salt bath to attract uncommon favor. When your life is not going the way it should go, you know that something is wrong somewhere. And we all know that the spiritual controls the physical. So many things, before they manifest in the physical, will have manifested in the spiritual. That's why we have to solve our problems through simple spiritual solutions. So that's why I'm here. So salt bath to attract uncommon favor. This is very significant because salt signifies sweetness. When you put salt in your soup, it makes your soup tasty. When you put salt in water and drink it, it sweetens up your life. When you put salt in your water before you use it to bath, it sweetens up your life. A lot of people have been doing salt bath and they've given up because they think it's not working for them. It is not working for you because you are not doing it right. So that's why I'm here to guide you, to teach you how to do a proper salt bath to attract uncommon favor. So when you want to do a salt bath, make sure you get your water for your bath ready. Then put some salt in it. Then you have to pray using the holy books. If you're a Christian, you have to use the Bible. If you're a Muslim, you use the Quran. Whatever religion you are, whatever you believe, you have to call the name of God. Pray over it. Whatever you're going through, anything you're facing, you are not getting favor. You are not favored at your work. You are not favored in your family. You are not favored anywhere you go. Use salt in your water. Use salt bath to attract uncommon favor. So you have to pray and you have to believe that this is going to work for you. Right? Faith is very important in using salt bath to attract uncommon favor. So you have to do salt bath at least once a month or twice a month. Right? You continue to do this and you have to believe, you have to have faith in God that is going to work for you, because God in his infinite mercy made salt. So when you use salt to attract uncommon favor, God himself is happy with you. This is not witchcraft. Okay? This is not witchcraft. You heard me right. This is actually very good for you, and he has a very significant spiritual importance in your life. So continue to do salt bath, and you will begin to see changes in your life. So there you have it, my subscribers. Remember to comment in the comment section, like, comment and share my videos with your friends and family. I need all your support. Okay? So, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Then you can go ahead to my channel and watch my videos there. I've done tons of videos for the use of you guys, for the benefit of you guys. Okay, I will see you in my next videos. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Bye.